Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's start standing up on our yoga mat as we take a deep breath. Reach your arms up to the ceiling, coming into your mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right. Send your right arm behind you with your left arm reaching forward. Back to your mountain pose, reaching up. Open arm twist to the left. Come back to your mountain pose. Micro back bend. Bend your arms as you look up at the ceiling, leaning back. Mountain pose. Clasp your hands behind your low back. Puff your chest up, drop your head back. Forward fold. Relax your head. Feel that stretch in your shoulders. Release your hands down to the mat. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. Roll back up to standing. Mountain pose, reach your arms up. Open arm twist to the right. Mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Mountain pose. Come into your back bend. Maybe you go back a little bit deeper. Mountain pose. Clasp your hands behind your low back as you puff your chest up. Forward fold. Feel that shoulder stretch. Maybe you go a little bit deeper this time. And release your hands back down. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. Step your left foot back for pyramid pose. Your left toes are facing the corner. And you have the option to reach your hands back towards your back foot. Come back into your forward fold. Step your right foot back for pyramid pose. Option to walk your hands towards your back foot. Come back into your forward fold. Chair pose. Sit your hips back like you're sitting in a chair as you reach your arms up. Flying chair. Send your arms behind you. Chair pose. Flying chair. Chair pose. Flying chair. And let's hold it and pulse the arms up here. Little pulses up. Keep those arms straight. For 3, 2, and 1. Mountain pose. Forward fold. Roll back up to standing very slowly. Let's practice some balancing, starting with our tree pose. So you can either bring your right foot to your left ankle, your calf, or your inner thigh. And let's just bring our hands to heart center. And you can stay here, or you have the option to lift those arms up and maybe you open the arms. Bring your hands back to heart center. And lower that right foot. And let's go straight into the other side. If you stumble a little bit, that is perfectly fine. You see, I am stumbling as well. Remember, you have the option to lift your arms. Bring your hands back to heart center. Lower your left foot back down. One more time, let's reach our arms up overhead. Bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.